Hello, my friend. How to make the same character man and women standing together and same man alone, and women alone from the same people. This couple.
This is what at Asia Sport Channel 5992 commented on our previous video on how to create a consistent characters with Google Image FX AI. Kindly check it out to create a consistent character's face with Image FX. But in this video, I will talk about how to make our characters in two different images appear in one image together. To do this, kindly visit aistudio.google.com on your PC or mobile. In the AI Studio, upload the two images with the characters you want them in one frame. I'll use this prompt, make the two stand together as a couple. However, you can make your prompt to be more detailed, but I will keep mine simple to achieve the goal. Then run the prompt after you upload the images. Wait a minute for Google AI Studio to get done. You can see that Google AI Studio is amazing, and if you don't like the outputs, you can rerun it by click the star icon. And as you can see, even our new output is more advanced. The AI even added shorts for the girl character. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more AI tips and resources.